Hey you guys, I am back like I promised with another video, and this time I am doing a hair tutorial on this like tribal Fulani style braid twist out. For those who do not know me, I'm Nicole M, and if you don't know me, get to know me and check out some of my videos, a link down below. I'm going to show you guys only the flat twist part because I don't know how to cornrow. My mom actually did these cornrows for me, but I'm gonna show you guys like how many. So I sectioned off a perimeter ear to ear, okay? And I parted it all the way in the middle, and I sectioned those two sections off, and I made sure I had 5. I was gonna have 5 braids on each side, so in total 10. But the first braid that's closest to your ear is going to come forward, and it's going to be the ones that dangle. The rest are gonna go straight backwards. On this side I actually had to make an extra one because this one was a little bit too thick. It's gonna be 1, 2, and 3 going backwards, and then I also did a crisscross braid in the front. How I did the crisscross braid, well, how my mother did it, well, she actually didn't know how to do it, but I just watched the video. It's going to be a thick section this wide. You want to part it right in the middle of your head. Mine is a little crooked, but it's okay. Part it in half, then part the half in half, if you guys can see. And then you're going to braid this one and then cross over to the other side and grab that half. Braid that down, then I'm going to cross over that one and get that second section that I parted and then braid it. But you guys can't really see because of the bun and all that. I want to show you guys the definition that I achieved from this flat twist out. And I am not a great flat twister. I just always have great results. I'm left-handed, so all the videos I watch are a little bit difficult. Stay tuned for the actual tutorial on how I got these beautiful curls with only about 10 or less flat twists. Right now I just got it in a puff. This is day 3 hair. This is how it would be if y'all took it out at night or something. I mean in the morning time after having it in all night. So it's a little bit, you know, frizzy, well, a lot of bit frizzy. This is day 3. Typically I would redo my hair maybe like day 2, but I was a little lazy last night, so your girl was like, let's see how long this style can last. And I feel like day 3 is enough. I mean, it still has a lot of curl definition, but it's not enough for me. What you're gonna need first off is a scrunchie. Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. You're going to need the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. You're going to need a wide tooth comb to comb out them naps, and you're going to need a wet brush, or whatever people be calling it, a damn brush. But yeah, let me get a new one because this joint broke. Look at this, y'all. So your girl got her new brush. It's the dollar store version again. You're going to need a butterfly clip also. So I'm going to go from ear to ear, and the parts don't gotta be perfect, y'all. And now you have all this hair to work with. You're gonna need a spray bottle of water, and I said to do this on stretched or like blow dried hair, but I'm going to spray this just a little bit because my hair does feel dry. I'm going to be using some olive oil. I'm not going to take too much. I just want some shine in my hair. Take my wide tooth comb, detangle the ends first, y'all. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the Lotta Body mousse because I ain't got too much. Then we're going to run this brush through the hair. Make sure all the tangles is out. I don't got a lot of this product either, so I'm just gonna use a little bit, like this much, and just rub that through the hair. It has a nice smell, and I feel like it also really defines the curl and the twist out. So this is how I flat twist, y'all. I know that's not how you're supposed to flat twist, but damn it. I just like twist and I grab with the other hand instead of like having it flow. It's hard for me. So that's how I do my flat twists, y'all. Don't judge me. And when you get all the way to the ends, I'm going to use a little bit more of the Shea Moisture product and just twist the end. There we go. See, my flat twist don't even be flat on my head. It be straight sticking out. So add some water. Add some olive oil for shine. And then you're going to detangle with the wide tooth comb from ends to root. Yeah, add some mousse. Okay, remember, add a little bit more product to your ends. So these are my 4 twists. So for the people who are transitioning with their hair and all that, you guys can use perm rods at the end of your twists and stuff. Or you can use a flexi rod or something, like one of these small flexi rods. Alright, so I am completely done with my entire head. I'm going to show you guys the pattern in the back and everything. Hopefully y'all can see that. I don't really have to retwist these. These are pretty much defined. But if I were to retwist them, I would put the mousse and the the coconut curling smoothie and just twist it like a normal twist. And yes, they're connected with rubber bands. That's why they're like sticking up like this. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do the bun. I'm gonna take this. Boom. That's how the little twist, that's the amount of hair the little twist gives me. I used some Nichole braiding hair and put it in the back. And kind of like twist it like a Bantu knot. So I'm going to wrap it. I'm gonna hold my hair as I'm wrapping it so it doesn't get covered. And it's just gonna be a huge Bantu knot, honestly. And then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and just tuck it. Tuck the end. Okay, so you see my curly hair is like stuck there, stuck out at the top. So what I'm gonna do is just wrap that. And don't worry if you can see some of the Nichole hair because it should blend. So I'm just gonna do that and take a scrunchie and just put in a bun. And I'm gonna take another bobby pin and just like tuck any of the ones that are like sticking up. So, alright guys, see you in my next video. Mwah.